This video will walk you through the process of adding Control ID readers to Primo and how to do enrollment. Navigate to the Hardware menu and select the Biometrics tab. You can then select Install. Select Control ID. Move on to the next step by selecting Next. Click on Scan Subnet or Advanced Scan if you wish to scan for the unit using its specific IP address or IP range. Select the device or devices you want to install. Click on Next. Begin the installation process by selecting Install. When the device is installed and licensed, it will have a green icon next to it. If the device is unlicensed, then you would need to select License here and export the license file, and purchase the license, then proceed to import the license file by clicking on Import License. You can now proceed to enrollment. Select the user you want to enroll a face template for. Click on the Credentials tab. To proceed with the face template enrollment, you would need to ensure you have an existing credential, as the face template will be linked to the credential code. Ensure your Primo plugin manager is running and your camera is online. You can then select Enroll to initiate the enrollment process for your facial credential. Proceed with the enrollment by selecting Enroll Face. Select Enroll via Control ID and Webcam. Capture the image with the webcam and select Next to proceed. Select the reader. Select the credential you wish to use. Review the summary and click on Confirm. Thank you for watching. This video covered the steps to seamlessly integrate Control ID readers into Primo.